want to go for a swim in the beach, okay? There's loads of people in our way, so you've got to go around the people, okay, to get to the sea to have a swim, okay? So the first obstacle you're going to have to do, you're going to have to balance, okay? Just like before, you're going to balance across the rope. Okay, when we get to the hurdles, you're going to have to jump. So 2, 3, jump, jump, jump. Same again, jump, jump. And when we get to the spots, you're going to step, 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 step. Back to the beginning and go again, okay? Balance, there you go. Big jumps, there you go. And then balance across the pods. And then across the pods, there you go, look at that. Do you want a hand? And then balance across the pods. Keep going, there you go.